Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method on Lululemon's account. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in lululemon.com, press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website. Also make sure to log into your Lululemon account by entering your correct credentials. From the main home page, mouse over to your My Account tab at the top right and click on Profile. Now, from your profile page, scroll down and click on this Add a Credit Card option. Now enter your credit card and all of its information needed on the page. Start off by typing in your credit card number, its expiry date, and the name on the card. After filling in your credit card information, go to the billing address section. Enter your country's name, your first name, last name, phone number and address, or you can also use the same shipping address for your billing address as well. Finally, click on the Save Credit Card button in order to add a payment method to lululemon.com. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.